Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 14 Pro Max with quicker wireless. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max with quicker is currently out of stock. So all storage options are not in stock. No color options are available right now. So hopefully when this video is live on YouTube, hopefully the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be available for you guys to purchase the phone. So there's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You guys will see the phone right there. It looks like the iPhone 13 Pro Max from last year, except for the front has a pill shape cut out there on the front. So the storage options: 128 gigs is $10.99.99, 256 gigs $11.99.99, 512 gigs $13.99.99, and then the 1 terabyte storage option that you guys are seeing here is $15.99.99. Alright, so yeah, the right side has your power button. There's a closer look at the back. You guys got your triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo. Your volume button is on the left side along with your alert switch. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch display, 48 megapixel main camera, 1 terabyte of storage. This is the option that just left it on, the 1 terabyte option. It says a magical new way to interact with iPhone. iPhone 14 Pro Max features groundbreaking safety features designed to save lives. An innovative 48 megapixel camera for mind-blowing detail, all powered by the ultimate smartphone chip. Contains dual eSIM support. So that's good. I get out of here with that bullcrap. Alright, what the hell just happened? I don't even know. That was weird. Features: display, Super Retina XDR display, 6.7 inches, all-screen OLED, 2796 by 1290 pixel resolution, f460 ppi. Video shoot, edit, and share in ProRes or WVision HDR camera. The all-new 48 megapixel main camera with an advanced quad pixel sensor. So yeah, if you guys want to get specs on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, I will have these links down below. I don't know, Cricket don't have no specs for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's kind of stupid, but it is what it is. So there you guys have it, the iPhone 14 Pro Max now available at Cricket Wireless. As this video recording, it is currently out of stock. No storage options is available to be purchased. All color options are not in stock. So hopefully when this video goes live on YouTube, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be available for you guys to purchase. So stay tuned for that. So if you guys are looking to get the latest and greatest iPhone this year, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the best iPhone of the year, obviously, because it has the big screen, the new features, and all that good stuff on there. So yeah, very nice looking phone. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.